Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an admin account, an external backup, and a restore point. Once you have those, reboot into safe mode or WinRe. This prevents services from locking registry hives. Then, open command prompt as admin. Do not use Explorer yet. Type regedit if in safe mode or in WinRe. Use regload hklm \temp-hive-c /windows/system32/config/software to mount the hive. This first action ensures you can replace corrupted files without file locks. Once the hives are accessible, copy your backed up files, SAM, security, software, default, and system, into C /windows/system32/config. Make sure to rename originals with old extensions so you can revert. Then, use regload hklm \temp-hive-path or reg import mybackup. Reg for registry exports. This applies settings safely. Check and reset permissions with iCackles if keys fail to load, because improper ACLs prevent Windows from reading the restored hive. After restoring, unload temp hives with reg unload, restore original file names if needed, then reboot normally. Make sure services start. If Windows fails to boot, enter WinRe and either restore the old files back, run system restore, or run startup repair. If problems persist, check Event Viewer entries or use the Recovery Console to capture error codes. These tell you which hive or driver failed. Troubleshooting with logs lets you avoid repeating steps blindly and protects user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.